شعر أسود نأى.
I'm tired of them thinking of my religion as a terrorism.
I am myself.
I am myself.
And that's enough.
I am myself. And that is enough.
We are enough. So we just came up with an idea of doing a video. We just wanted to show 5 different types of discrimination in one story. We thought that everyone can actually relate somehow to this problem and that everyone has experienced discrimination at some point. The real problem is to change the way of thinking of the society and that we should change it ourselves because we're the society. So that's where we should begin.
We were looking for some kind of contest and we found the PLURAL Plus.
PLURAL Plus is a platform of distribution of youth-produced videos on the topics of migration, diversity, social inclusion, and the prevention of xenophobia. This is the 9th year of PLURAL Plus. Every year is getting bigger. This year we had 320 video entries from 67 countries.
Hello, we are from Indonesia and we are the maker of Childable Nations.
Inilah aku, seseorang dengan masalah stigma dan identitas. Lalu bagaimana dengan dunia?
It's hard to define where the discrimination starts. Basically, it's because of a fear.
We are all human. We don't have to discriminate others just because their looks like different.
Aku Oki. Aku Indonesia, warga dunia. Aku Oki, dan aku juga manusia.
We are in this media environment. Everywhere we go, there are screens and movements and images and sounds. So for young people to work within this medium is just natural. It's just like one other way of writing with sounds and images.
We choose video because it's very simple right now to make a video. I mean, everybody has a phone and our video is made by iPhone, so it's such an easy and fun way to talk about serious problems.
I genuinely believe the power of cinema is not just the power of information, but also the power of process itself.
Young people in all medias aren't heard well enough, and I think today was a great showcase for the representation of all filmmakers, young, old, and from around the world.
Film is still a big forum for us to express our voice and our opinion, and we can't be shut down, and our voices will still be heard regardless.
And I am your neighbor.
I am your friend.
It all comes down to one thing, that we are equal, we're all enough, and that should be the main role of humanity.